The yum command is the simplest way to install software packages from the command line. The beauty of yum is that it handles dependency resolution for us. What that means is that if we go to install a package and that package needs another package, then yum will also install the other package as well, and so on until it gets all of the necessary pieces for a program to run properly. Yum will use pre-configured repositories, usually web or FTP sites, to search for and install software. We can also use yum to install packages that we have downloaded, and it will resolve any dependencies that are needed to complete the installation. If you know the keyword or even part of a package name for something you wish to install, you could run yum and search and package name. Let's try this for the system config LVM utility. Here we see that the package is available for download and install. Let's see if we can gather some more information about the software with yum info. Just type in yum info and then the name of the package. The output tells us that this software is not architecture specific, so the same package will work on both 64 and 32-bit systems. The version and release numbers of the software, the file size of the RPM, that it is available from our local net repository, and some brief information about what the package is or what it does. Alright then, let's install the package. Yum install system config LVM. We are then prompted by yum if we wish to proceed with the install after we are shown a summary of how much disk space will be used and what, if any, dependencies will be installed. We already have the necessary dependencies for system config LVM installed, so we don't need to install anything extra. We will press Y for yes, then enter, and the install commences. We can also uninstall software with yum remove, and then the package name. We will remove the system config LVM package that we just installed. Yum prompts us, asking if we are sure that we wish to uninstall the package, and again we press Y for yes. And the software is removed. We can also list the different groups of packages that are available for us to install with yum group list. Package groups are collections of software for a particular task or setup, such as Welsh language support for the system or the full group of software needed to run a database server. We see that a web server package is available, so let's install that. We do this with the group install option for yum. And when dealing with groups, enclose the group name in quotation marks. Here we see a good example of dependencies that would need to be installed in order for the software to work properly. Press Y for yes, and then enter. And now we have a web server installed. Well, we are done playing around with the web server, so now let's uninstall it. We can do this with the group remove option for yum. Then include the group name in quotation marks. We get a summary of the packages that will be removed, and we are prompted to make sure that we wish to actually proceed with the uninstall. Press Y for yes. And the web server has been uninstalled. Just as with most other commands, you can look up the man page for the yum command to get some more details on the various options that you can use with the command.